Hi there, this is Suraj on my channel, and today I'm gonna show you the most natural way and color enhance in just one click. So go on the Photoshop. First you have to create a selective color. Click on this icon, a pop-up list will open, and go to the selective color options. Now inside of selective color, select the every target color. Okay, which you wanna enhance. For example, select red. Then you have to increase that target color, but there is no red options are here. Only cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. Oops, this is a big problem. Just wait. Just keep remember RGB, red, green, blue, and this is the opposite of RGB, that is a CMY. It is cyan, magenta, yellow, and at last black. Red is the opposite of cyan, green is the opposite of magenta, blue is the opposite of yellow. Then choose red and decrease the cyan. It means you increasing the red color. Okay. So go to yellow and increase the yellow. Then we give more green and increase the green. But oops, there is no green. But the opposite of green is magenta. Then cyan simply. Okay. Just wait. Simply increase the cyan and blues, decrease the yellow. Remember the opposites in photographs, magentas. Finally, our look in image. Here looks the before and here is the after. Looks so natural. But you might say this is a fixed set. But you also created for accents, just like I have created this. So just try to another tab, pictures. Go to Windows, Action, and then select color map situation. If you have already down to the accent, just play amazing. So there we go. One of the most natural ways to enhance color in the Photoshop in just one click. Thank you. So keep watching my channel and do subscribe and like my videos.